What is up, everyone? It is your boy Eddie here on Texas Reeling. Welcome back to another video. If I sound a little excited, it's because I am. Why? Because I'm not at work and I'm going fishing. Anyways, I'm gonna go out here, try to do a little fishing. Hopefully I can come out here, catch some big ones, and get on them pretty good. I'm only gonna be out here a little while. I gotta get back home, do a few things. So we're gonna make the best out of this beautiful day we got. You guys stay tuned and let's hope for a banger. Guys, I just made it out to the lake. Just put the boat in the water. About to crack me open a Red Bull, and we're about to get started. Hopefully we can get on these big girls. You guys stay tuned. It should be a good one. Alright guys, so I just got to my first spot. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna do real quick. I'm gonna fish this little rocky bank right around through here. There's a nice little rock pile, and I'm gonna try that rock pile starting out. Kind of maybe throw a jig, a Texas rig, something like that, and see if I can catch them there. I'll probably start with a Texas rig just because I like how it looks to be throwing one. Of course, I'm going with the old handy dandy lizard. What's been working for me. We got nice little overcast skies, which is awesome because I don't feel like getting sunburned. Let's get started, guys. See if they're pushed up shallow on these rocks, maybe eating some crawfish or something like that. Looks like we got a little sprinkle going on. I don't think it should get too bad though. It showed only a 15% chance of rain. But it is Texas, so you never know. Crazy weather down here. It might be at 0% and you still get 10 inches of rain. Let's go try somewhere else, guys. I got an idea. I'm gonna try something different today. Give this a shot, guys. I'm trying out new areas that I ain't never fished today. That's kind of how you grow as a fisherman, is by experimenting, learning where the good spots are and where they're not. So I've never actually fished this bank before. I've passed it a million times out here at Lake of the Pines, but I've never really fished it. So it's more of a hard clay bank, sand bank type deal. So we're gonna give that a shot, and we'll see if we can catch a couple out of it. I mean, there's some nice laydowns and stuff. If you're wondering why I chose this spot, well, for one, because it has some laydowns, and the second reason is because, as you can see, we're right on the bank, but right over here is the main lake. It's real shallow right here, but over here it gets really deep. So these fish may be in that shallow water and like that access to be able to go right back into that deep water later on in the day. They kind of move in and out throughout the day. That's kind of one of the reasons I chose it. There's one. Oh, I just missed him. Good sign, good sign. All right, so we got our first bite. Hopefully we can figure something out here. Bad one. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. 1 or 2 cast in with this color. Wow, this fish is yellow. Calm down now, brother. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Get out of this tree here. He had me wrapped up for a second. It was number 1, guys. Not a bad fish at all. He is super yellow. Never seen him this yellow. Look at that. Looks like a goldfish almost. There's number one. Beautiful fish. Thank you. All right. Looks like we may have something to go off of, guys. We just may be on to something here. Don't want to speak too soon, but it's hard not to get excited when you pull up to a spot and start getting bit immediately, and then catch a good looking fish like that. So, see if we can keep this going here. There's one, guys. Good one. Good fish. Stay on, baby. Come on. Oh, good fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whew. Stay on, baby. Oh, damn. Woo! Look at that, guys. Wow. Wow. Look at here. Look at here. Come to daddy, big mama. Look at that, guys. Look at that fish. Wow. That is a freaking tank. Let's get him on the scale. Wow. Woo. Come on. 426, guys. There you have it, a 426. So let's get a release on it. Let's get a release on it. Go ahead, mama. Bam. There's one. Got him on the wacky rig. Texas wacky worm, I guess you can say. I had a Texas rigged, but it was the wacky worm. Little dinker. Oh, come on now. Calm down, calm down. There you go. Working it kind of fast. He hit it as soon as it hit the water. He ran with it. I should have tore my tentacle off. There he is. Get out of there. Yep. The old jig got him. Fell for it twice. He got me the first time, not the second. Go get bigger for me. I'll be back for you. So I may have figured something out here. Right along this bank. Seems like they're just hanging out in that real shallow water. Still throwing that same jig. That's all I've been able to catch them on. They're wearing my crawls out though. I mean, they're running through them. I'm down to my last one on this color. Gonna have to stock up on these. Hey, but we're catching fish. That's all that matters. Let's keep going. Look at there. Oh my God. Good Lord has blessed us. Look at that, guys. Right off this point right here. Just got to release him. Pour my crawl up. Get it all the way under that dock, and I guess he chased it back out. Nice little spot. Right by the boat ramp. There's a boat ramp right there. Sweet. Let's take it on in, guys. Take it on in. Alright guys, so I just got off the water. Overall, man, what a day. It was a great day out there. I was out there throwing that 4D fishing jig, and I just wore them out on that jig. I caught a couple on the Texas rig early in the morning when I started, but as soon as I switched over to that jig, I caught a really nice one, about almost a 4.5. Then after that, I kind of stayed with that pattern and looked for stuff that was similar to where I was catching them. And I just hopped around here and there, and I ended up catching quite a few actually on that jig. I want to give a shout out to Mike. Appreciate you for sending me that jig. I'm definitely going to be needing some more of those. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to the channel and you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Get down in the comment box. If you leave me a comment, I promise you I will respond to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep it real. It's your boy Eddie, and I'm out. Peace.